Hey Tim, this is Jerry over at Finn Tire and Auto. We had the Odyssey up on the lift. I want to show you what's going on with the exhaust right now. I'm going to give you two different options on how to fix the system. One's going to be a Band-Aid. The Band-Aid may last you a long time, but like any other Band-Aid, I don't really knowing how long that repair is going to last. So I'm going to quote you a Band-Aid, and I'm also going to quote you a permanent fix with a good warranty. But I want to show you what we're going to have to do, what's going on. Also, the exhaust leak that you're hearing is where this exhaust hanger bracket had been originally welded. And if you look right here, it's cracked. And what happens is the wall of this stainless steel pipe just basically gets eaten away. It gets very thin. Now I could probably get the weld on there and, put a big ball of weld and seal that leak. But the reason I say a big ball of weld, because when you got that wall is basically just thin right there. So as I try to add a hot weld to it, it's going to flake away until it gets to a more solid part, which we've done and it works. But again, usually it's a Band-Aid because the next weakest point is then going to start leaking. I also want to show you right now, amazingly it's not leaking yet, but this flange, if you look here, the nuts are actually almost non-existent. Same thing with the front flange up here on the front pipe. The nuts are almost non-existent. So what we would do here, if we were doing the Band-Aid, is heat these up to the point where they drop down, replace the gasket, and then put new hardware on those stainless steel bolts or stainless steel studs. The correct way to fix this, ultimately, we know this pipe is getting very thin, it's old, corrosion has taken over, is replace the front pipe. But the problem with replacing the front pipe is if you go back here where this converter is at, catalytic converter, you can see that that's not going to come apart the way you want it to. Those flanges are basically just rotted away, and chances of us getting something to seal in there are slim to none. You can see the bolts are over here. Those were nuts and studs at one point. So, but the problem with that is that you're then going the rest of the system, resonator, muffler, under axle pipe, and the tailpipe assembly. So really two options going into a Band-Aid, seeing how long that lasts. The correct option, the correct factory repair will be to replace all the parts. I'll give you a call here shortly with two estimates, and you can make a decision on which way you want to go. Thank you.